Australia unveiled the first underwater 3D concrete printer that produces washout-resistant single-mix concrete. Designed for projects like floating wind farms and coastal infrastructure repairs, this technology marks a major breakthrough in underwater construction capabilities. That was your AI News Short with Jerome W. Duwalt. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about how will marine construction evolve. In the comments, give this video a like, swipe up for the next short, and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News Short.